Hey all my beautiful babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Sherry, and for today's video, as you can see from the thumbnail, we're gonna be unboxing the Ofra mystery bag. So if you're interested in what I got in my mystery bag, just keep on watching. Okay, babes, so the Ofra mystery bag comes in a box like this, just a regular plain brown box. I did go ahead and cut it open, but I did not look inside the Ofra mystery bag, so that's going to be new to me. This is my first time purchasing an Ofra mystery bag, and this is what it comes like. Bunch of bubble wrap. Okay, it comes with a couple things inside along with the bag. Oh, that's cute. It comes with a little hand sanitizer packet. With everything that's going on right now, that's pretty cool. So after we're done unboxing everything, you have a little hand sanitizer to go ahead and clean your hands up. It does come with the packing slip. And just so you know, the mystery bag that I purchased was $35. And I believe there was tax on it. I'm here in Florida. And then also it came with this little card right here. They're basically just showing their new palette, the Glitch 2000 palette. It's $29 if you guys are interested in that. It is all metallic shades if you're interested. All right, so this is what the bag comes, how it comes. It's like a leather-ish bag with a zipper. I mean, that's pretty good quality. We're gonna go ahead and just peek on into the first item, and it's Cleanse It Off cotton wipes. So these are makeup remover wipes. I'm always happy to get these remover wipes, especially small little packages like this. I can throw them in my bag and call it a day. Let's go ahead and dive into the next item. And it comes in bubble wrap. They package everything really well, by the way. So good, I can't even get it open. I love pinks and purples. Everybody knows that. And this is a long-lasting liquid lipstick. And it's in the shade Santa Monica. It's a really pretty color. I will wear this. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you guys. It's bold, which I like. So it's like a really pretty, like, dark, hot pinkish color. Color is pretty true to the tube. I like it. Definitely will wear that. Let's go ahead and wipe that off my hand before I get anything else. Get it on everything. It does stain a little bit, if you can see it. Okay, next thing in the bag is going to be this right here, and it is a banana powder. It's kind of hit or miss sometimes with banana powder, for me anyway. Sometimes it comes off too yellow for me, so I will have to try it and see. But normally I do like to use this to kind of set under the eye. Sometimes it does take away that tone of the dark circles. Next thing in the bag is going to be this right here, and it's the Ofra Makeup Fixer. And it says a light refreshing mist that keeps makeup in place all day. So I'm always excited to get setting sprays and stuff. I just want to know what it smells like. It comes plastic around it so it doesn't spill. That's a really nice fragrance of that. If it works, I would definitely recommend that because the smell is really, really nice. I like that a lot. All right, and there's one last thing in the bag, and it's this right here. Let's go ahead and open it up. And this is the highlighter. Guys, I cannot talk lately. It is the highlighter in Rodeo Drive. I actually have this, so I'm going to close this one back up, set it aside. I actually have that highlighter. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Okay, after digging through my stuff, I found my highlighter. This is Rodeo Drive. As you can see, I've used it quite a bit. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you guys so you can see how it looks. I love this highlighter. To me, this highlighter, if you put it on, it's really blinding, and it's very, very finely milled, so it doesn't settle and look like a whole bunch of glitter on your cheek. I think it's really amazing. So you don't get a card or anything with this box to tell you the prices, everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave everything down below, the link to the mystery bags if they're still available, and I'll also let you know the prices of each item that I got in my bag. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unbagging, and if you like it, sign up for it. I think it's really great. Ofra is quite pricey, so if you can get your hands on a mystery bag and get some good items, I think it's definitely worth it. So until the next video, guys, stay safe, and please go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, babes.